If you've ever dreamed of waking up to see new sales, clients, or payments, all while you were asleep, you're not alone. Because in 2025, that dream isn't fantasy anymore. AI has quietly opened a new era where your time is no longer the limit to your income. You can now automate the kind of work that used to take entire teams: marketing, customer service, content creation, sales, design, all running 24/7 without you touching a single line of code. Today, I'll show you 10 secure side hustles that you can automate with AI, build in your spare time, and scale while you sleep. No hype, no scams, just practical, realistic ways people are using AI tools right now to earn consistent online income. Let's get into it. Before we jump in, here's the mindset shift that separates people using AI from those getting left behind by it. The old economy rewarded time spent. The new AI economy rewards systems built. Your real goal isn't to work harder, it's to build a digital machine that works for you. And AI makes that machine cheaper, faster, and smarter than ever before. All right, let's start with the first one. Automated faceless YouTube channels. This is one of the most profitable and fully automatable side hustles right now. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to record your voice. AI can handle scripting, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnails. Here's how people are doing it. Use ChatGPT or Gemini Advanced for your video scripts. Generate AI voiceovers using ElevenLabs or Play-Doh. Create visuals and editing using Labs or Runway ML. Thumbnails. Tools like thumbnail.ai or Canva Magic Studio. You can automate the entire workflow. One video per day, scheduled and uploaded automatically using tools like TubeBuddy and Zapier integrations. Income potential. Once monetized, faceless channels can make anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month, depending on niche and consistency. AI-powered content agency. Imagine running a social media or blog content agency without hiring writers, editors, or designers. You can offer content creation for small businesses using AI. For writing, Jasper Copy.ai or WriteSonic. For visuals, Canva Magic Media or Ideogram.ai. For scheduling, Buffer, Later, or Metricool. You simply set up templates, plug in client data, and automate posting schedules. Businesses pay for outcome, not process. So while they see fresh posts daily, you can be scaling quietly in the background. Income potential. $1,000 to $7,000 a month depending on the number of clients. Print on demand with AI designs. AI has made it ridiculously easy to start a print-on-demand store. You don't need to be a designer. Just use tools like Kittle, Midjourney, or Leonardo.ai to generate custom t-shirt, mug, or poster designs. Connect your store to Printful or Gelato and link that to Shopify or Etsy. Every sale is printed, shipped, and delivered automatically. You never touch the product. Income potential. $300 to $12,500 a month once your designs start selling consistently. Digital product store, AI templates and tools. People love done-for-you resources. Notion templates, eBooks, checklists, Canva templates, and AI can create them all for you. Here's the flow. Use ChatGPT to write templates or frameworks. Design the layout in Canva or Notion. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or PayHip. You can even use Zapier or Make.com to deliver files instantly after purchase. This side hustle compounds over time. Every product you publish becomes passive income forever. Income potential. $500 to $5,000 a month once your store builds traction. AI blog and affiliate marketing system. This is one of the most underrated ways to earn with AI. Blogging. Instead of spending days writing, you can now publish SEO-optimized articles in hours using Surfer SEO plus ChatGPT for keyword-driven articles, Koala Writer for fast blog drafts, Neuron Writer for optimization. Monetize through affiliate links to products, online tools, or Amazon items. Then use Zapier to automate publishing and analytics. Income potential. $1,000 to $10,000 a month once ranking kicks in. Automated course creation business. Selling knowledge online is still massive, and AI can now help you create a full course end to end. Here's the workflow. Use ChatGPT or Claude to create lesson outlines and scripts. Generate slides with Gamma app or Beautiful.ai. Use ElevenLabs for narration. Host it on Teachable, Podia, or Kajabi. You can even automate lead emails using ConvertKit or Beehive. Your course runs while you sleep. Students enroll, learn, and pay automatically. Income potential: $1,000 to $15,000 a month depending on topic and audience. AI copywriting and ad creative service. Businesses constantly need ad copy, landing pages, and product descriptions. You can build a mini copywriting agency powered by AI tools like Copy.ai, AdCreative.ai, and WriteSonic. All you do is manage client briefs and let AI handle the heavy lifting. You deliver polished ad creatives with data-backed suggestions, and clients love the speed. You can charge per campaign or per monthly retainer. Income potential: $500 to $8,000 a month depending on client base. Newsletter automation business. Newsletters are back, and AI makes running one easier than ever. Use Beehive or Substack to host and grow your list. Automate content using ChatGPT and Perplexity.ai to summarize trending topics. Schedule emails through Zapier or MailerLite. You can monetize through sponsorships, affiliate links, or paid subscriptions. Income potential: $500 to $3,000 a month once you build consistent readers. AI-powered SEO and analytics freelancing. This is perfect if you enjoy strategy and numbers. You can offer AI-driven SEO audits using Surfer SEO, Neuron Writer, or Ahrefs with ChatGPT integration. Use Zapier to automate report delivery and client communication. Since you're using AI for insights, you can handle multiple clients efficiently and charge premium rates for data-driven strategy. Income potential: $1,500 to $6,000 a month depending on number of clients. AI-generated ebook publishing. This one is quietly booming. You can write, design, and publish ebooks using AI and sell them on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Payhip. Here's how it works. Use ChatGPT or Claude for writing chapters. Format and design in Canva. Create covers with Leonardo.ai or Midjourney. Upload, automate sales, and collect royalties. You can even create full series of niche books or guides for recurring sales. Income potential: $300 to $4,000 a month depending on sales and niche. Connecting the dots, building an AI income ecosystem. Here's the secret most people miss. These aren't 10 separate hustles. They're 10 building blocks you can combine into a complete system. For example, you can create YouTube videos, repurpose the script into a blog post, turn it into a newsletter, and then sell a related ebook or digital course. All powered by the same set of AI tools and automations running in the background. The more systems you stack, the more stable your automated income becomes. Now you might be thinking, AI moves fast. What if these stop working? Good question. What makes these side hustles secure isn't the specific tool, it's the business model. They're built on timeless fundamentals, helping others save time or money, creating digital assets once that sell repeatedly, using automation to scale output without increasing effort. Even as tools change, these principles remain future-proof. Professional wrap-up. So to wrap this up, we're in a rare window of opportunity. AI has leveled the playing field. The tools that Fortune 500 companies use to automate teams of people are now accessible to you, right on your laptop. Whether you choose to start a faceless YouTube channel, build a content agency, or publish AI-powered ebooks, the key is to start small, automate early, and scale smart. Every hour you spend building these systems today could save you dozens of hours every month moving forward. And when your income finally starts coming in while you sleep, you'll realize it wasn't about working harder. It was about learning how to make machines work for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, because the next video will dive deeper into how to scale your AI income into a full-time business. Until then, keep building, keep learning, and keep automating.